So this is what a normal SEGA Genesis is supposed to do. Everything plugged in, all that nonsense. Freaking SEGA, all that. And then a normal one has this horrible audio. Just that's what a normal operational Genesis will do. Then we switch out all the nonsense to this guy.
This is the Genesis we're going to try to fix. This one works, this one doesn't. We'll try to turn this guy on and see nothing. Nothing happens. We try to turn it on. Nothing. But mess with the power cord a little. And it will work. Picture's very fuzzy. Terrible. And you let go of the power cord and it'll stop working altogether.
How's it gonna work? Christ's sake. Whoa! Yeah, pretty clean picture too. So you know, this guy, not this guy. Oh, that guy's not gonna work. Not yet. Here. This is the one that works. Hands on. Good video. This will work great. Maybe I'll clean this guy out too. See what it can do. Because it doesn't have the best picture. And this outrun cassette is jacked up. I mean, it's got an okay picture for this crazy pixelated nonsense. See, so this is the one that did work. A little staticky, could use some help. No. Okay. But then this is the one that didn't work. See, I'm swapping it out from the one that works, the one that didn't work. So yeah, if your game systems are not working, break out the old soldering iron. And see, that's the one that was working before. We'll take it apart and clean it up too. Who remembers this flippin' game, man? Streets of Rage. The city was once a happy, peaceful place. Until one day, a powerful, secret criminal organization took over. This vicious syndicate soon had control of the government, even the police force. The city has become a center of violence and crime where no one is safe. Amid this turmoil, a group of determined young police officers is sworn to clean up the city. Among them are Adam Hunter, Axel Stone, and Blaze Fielding. They are willing to risk anything, even their lives, on the streets of rage. Okay, let's play this goddamn thing. Oh no. Oh no, the down doesn't work. Oh no, the side works, but the down doesn't work. Oh well. Maybe it was just that menu. Hell if I know. Kick some ass. Oh no, the up and the down doesn't work. Sheesh. That's not good. Still doesn't work. Shit. It's not this controller. I was using this controller before. Right, there it goes. Just for a second. It's working. There we go. Just give the old wiggle dibble. It'll work again. Godforsaken. Oh, you son of a... Ah. Yeah, give me that. Fuck you. Eat that. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, I got a lead pipe. Suck on that, bitch. Oh, eat some. Oh, you piece of shit. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, you bastard. Piece of shit. You killed me. Take that, pieces of shit. Oh, fuck you. Well, that's it. Fix the godforsaken thing.